Yes. So good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to the second day of Magic of Vedic Mathematics. So very first question. Okay, let before the question, let me welcome you all back. So a very heartful gratitude to all of you. Pat yourself and applaud yourself because this is the second step or the next step towards learning of Vedic mathematics. See, yesterday I told you what is the importance of first step. That is always significant. That is always a changing phase in your life. And yes, today you have moved on that path. Correct. So, very first question: were you able to do the homework? Yes, Satyanarayan. Mr. Yedla.
Sorry, sir.
Why was it tough?
No, it is not tough right at all.
Then see, that is for your practice only. If you will not do it, again, the things would be the same.
Yeah.
Right, Devesh? Did you try with the homework?
No, sir.
Why?
Sir, I'll go somewhere.
I know you are busy throughout the day, but the point is, if you would have seen the homework, it would have taken not more than 10-11 minutes. Because you did one topic and for that it was sufficient. See, I have not given you much homework, but the point why I'm giving you homework so that you remember after the class also. Right. And as per me, you didn't even check the homework. Because if you would have done it, you would have registered yourself for the group and you could have seen how students are giving their homework, how students are submitting their homework right from this workshop also and the different batches we are running. See, you learn a lot when you see others also doing. But yes, motivation cannot be given from outside. You have to rise. Correct? I cannot motivate you, be you with you all the time. So you also have to pat yourself. You also have to applaud yourself. Right? This is the most easiest thing what we can do. Okay. So keeping the same motivation and confidence, let us start for the journey of the second day. Now, Mr. Yedla, this is for you. What are the opportunities? Why we are learning Vedic mathematics? I told you yesterday the advantages of learning Vedic mathematics or the advantages of implementing Vedic mathematics into school curriculum because it has got so many advantages that it is must for every student, every teacher, every individual. Correct. Now
Yes, sir.
we learned that yes, our speed gets increased. Second thing, it reduces the burden of tables. Correct. Third, it reduces the scratch work. Fourth, it increases concentration. And the fifth, last but not the least, it removes the silly mistakes of multiple carryovers and borrow. So today I'll discuss more on this. We'll learn how to find squares of the numbers, how to find cubes of the numbers in a very easy manner. Correct. Till now, we have been multiplying all the time. But now, here we will not be multiplying. We'll be finding the answers in seconds. Correct. But before this, yesterday we learned about the academic requirement of Vedic mathematics. But today, as per marketing aspect, why do teachers see what was the motive of the workshop? The motive of this workshop was to learn Vedic mathematics. Yes. Then the second motive was to launch your classes and lead toward the path of success. So today we'll also learn as well as we will learn how to launch our classes right from our home or scratch. So very first opportunity after this implementation of National Education Policy 2020 is you can start Vedic mathematics classes right from your home. Now, why I'm saying right from your home? Because for this, you don't need any infrastructure, you don't need any assets, you don't need any special material. All you need is If you're launching online classes, all you need is a laptop and a good internet connection. Content and delivery. I told you yesterday also, these are the two important aspects. Content, I'll give you, but on delivery part, you need to work on. Correct? So you have to cite examples to the students so that the interest is generated. Devesh, did you understand yesterday's workshop? Did you enjoy it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, but I've not received any review from your side. Yes, Mr. Yedla, did you enjoy the workshop or did you find it something useful?
Yes, sir. It is very useful.
So why?
Today I will review, sir.
Okay. Now, why I'm expecting this? Because see, when you review, you also share with others, right? And people come to know. It is in actual a mission to remove fear from every child, and that is the biggest thing. Correct. We are earning, that is one thing, but at the same time, we are doing something good for the future generations. So that can be started right from the home. And in case you have got funds, in case you are having a sufficient financials, so you can start with the training institutions also, where the same Vedic mathematics classes can be taught to right from class 3rd to 8th. First thing. Second, for competitive examinations, students can be take right. You can teach those students for all the competitive examinations, scholarship test. Basically, you need to teach them with the time management, how to reduce the time during calculations. So that is based all on Vedic mathematics concept. Third thing, yes, books. So our books are one of the best in the industry. So that can be worked out. You can have sessions, seminars in your in your schools, colleges, and institutes. So that can be an added advantage. And last but not the least, when if you are trained enough, you can further train the trainers. You can further guide the teachers who are already into mathematics and they need the core concepts of Vedic mathematics. Till now, very few teachers are available in India, but just think of it. How much is the requirement? If And the point is, we cannot even calculate how many schools do we have in one particular city. So just think how much opportunity is still there to learn, to earn, right? So many teachers need to be tapped. Maybe they are not be able to reach somebody. Some people are not on social media. I generally receive calls. Some people say, yes, we are not on the social media. We got to learn from the ex-teacher who attended your live lecture. Now this happens. Correct. So these are the two business opportunities you can take when you start with Vedic mathematics classes. Very useful, very helpful, as well as will give you good financial results. The third thing, you say, no, I am putting in an area where I cannot start at my home. I cannot have an institution of my own. Then you can start taking home tuitions. Nowadays, people are after Corona, people are there who want a teacher to come back to their home and teach their kids, right? So this is also one of the biggest opportunity. Fear of mathematics is prevailing. Every student, if I don't say every student, then at least 75% of students are suffering from this fear. Yesterday also I gave you one statistics that out of 40 students in one class, 30 students are going for tuition. And out of those 30, still 10 are failing. So you can very well understand how much business opportunity or how much work we have to do, how much fear we have to remove from the students, right? So these are the opportunities as a self entrepreneur. Now coming to, there are institutions, there are schools, there are big colleges who are in need of, for example, Byju's was looking for one Vedic math trainer recently. Urban Pros. So many companies are there who want to have their own Vedic mathematics trainers, as it is the hottest, you can say, requirement in the market today. So, jobs as a Vedic mathematics trainers in different institutions, schools, colleges, universities, that is in great demand now. Correct. And most of the maths teacher or science teachers, they are already running their own institutions, they are already running their competitive academies. So this subject can be used as an additional component in the existing profession. So these are the 5 opportunities which are knocking your doors. The only thing is you need to understand the concepts of Vedic mathematics. So such a small course, just 72 hours. So just giving 72 hours of your life and you gain a business opportunity. So do you think it is not a good proposal? It is, right? We have achieved so many degrees. We are graduates, postgraduate, but still we don't have a business opportunity. But here you have got there, right? Okay. So homework I have already asked. Now, coming, just have a look and listen to this person. Okay, if it is not clear, let me tell you, he is must he is Mr. Syed Hussain from South Africa. I'll just talk. He's Mr. Syed Hussain from South Africa. If you see the date, it is 23/4/21. So he's my student, a math teacher from South Africa, Nigeria. So when he started training, I won't say that he's getting very big jump in the salary. No. But what he got after Vedic mathematics, now he's training his own students with better ideas, with more examples, with examples from Vedic mathematics. And you know it. You might have realized by now that students find this subject much easier. And that makes mathematics much simple, much easier, much faster. So what he has gained, not hike in the salary directly, but he's gaining the love, the respect from the parents, from the students of his country. If you see his reviews, he always says, "Sir, you are like a father figure to me." This is what you call as a change. A simple math teacher and now a professional trainer of mathematics. Yes, Vedic math, due to Vedic mathematics itself. Second one, you might have seen that I always say I am the most viewed writer in the world. So this is, you can check on Quora. Yes, this is showing of 2020, 236 views at that time. But today it is more than 18,000 and I'm at the top since past 2 years. The most viewed writer in the world for this subject, Vedic mathematics. Correct. Similarly, just go through this. She is Priya Darshini Bohra from Assam, a girl of class 9th. Devesh, not much bigger than you, much elder than you, sorry. But she is one of the youngest trainers of Vedic mathematics. Now she is training her classmates, seniors, juniors, whatnot. So if they can do, can you not? Why not you? Yes, Mr. Yedla, did you understand what I mean to say?
Yes, sir. Sir.
Devesh,
Yes, sir.
if they can do, why not you? See, she's also just class 9. And leave 9. See that person, Nigeria, so far away, just online classes. A person who does not have any roots to India. a person who is totally from a different origin, different country. And see, knowledge always binds. So whatever is the caste, whatever is the religion, how far you are, your knowledge will always give you an impact. Correct. And this subject, because you remove something, some fear factor from others, you'll be always given more respect. Correct. And definitely with respect, if you're earning something, that is an additional advantage. So let's start with the mind exercises. Let's start with, so take out your paper and pen and we'll start the new topic, that is finding squares of the numbers. Right? Please take out. Yes. So what is a square?
हो तो गया.
Yes, Devesh. What is a square of a number? Devesh, Mr. Yedla,
Yes, sir.
Champa, what is a square of a number? What happened? नहीं आता?
No, sir.
किया नहीं अभी तक?
No, sir.
The square of a number is when the number is multiplied with itself. How do we write? N square. What is n square? N into n. Not done?
No, sir.
How is it possible here in 6th standard? Squares is a very easy topic. That is okay, no issues. Yes, Mr. Yedla, are you aware?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Correct. Now, if we are asked to find a square of a bigger number, let's say I ask you what is the square of 26, how will you find it? Yes,
26.
Devesh, if I ask you square of 16, how will you find it?
16 times 16.
Yes. So you will multiply 16 into 16 and then twice multiplication and then addition. Similarly, 26 into 26. And are you understanding, Devesh? Square means
Yes, sir.
multiplying the same number 2 times. Now, this is a very important topic in mathematics, and we generally take more time because of this multiplications. So today I'll give you very easy method and where you would be able to solve this mentally. Correct. So very first thing, what is square of 1? 1 into
So
1.
1 plus 1.
Not plus, beta. 1 into 1. So what is 1 into 1? 1.
So 1.
2 square. It is.
2 multiplied by 2, 4.
So that is.
So 4.
4. 3 square.
So 3 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6.
Very good. Then what is 3 plus 3?
So 6.
So what is 3 multiplied by 3?
So 6. So
Very
9.
good. See how much confusion is there in you. Correct. 4 square.
So 4 multiplied by 4, 16.
Very good. So very first thing, write down this table of first 10 numbers. You need to understand. You need to remember this. Is it visible? Square of 1 is 1. Square of 2 is 2. So please write down this table because with the help of this, we will do all the bigger problems. Correct? Please write down this in your notebooks. Yes, Mr. Yedla, kindly write down. So
Yes,
that
sir.
we'll be able to do all the bigger, like you said, 16. No, we will not do that way. We'll do in very simple way today, and you'll find the difference. Done?
Done, sir.
Perfect. Yes, have you done, Desh? Champa?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Now see, I'll take a small example first. Let's say 16 square. Correct. Now, how? I don't have to do this big calculations. No. Just now we did, see, I'll tell you the way. Just now we did square of 1. What is square of 1?
1.
So 1.
Just remember we should write in 2 digits because if it is 1 on this side, then it will make a difference. 0, 1. What is the square of 6?
36.
So 6. So 36.
So this is your step 1. Finish. Second step, multiply all these numbers. 1 into 6 is 12. 6 into 2 is 12. But this 12 is not to be written under 6. It is to be written leaving that 6. 12. What is on? Add these two. 2, 5, 6. One more, I'll give you example first. 24. So what is the square of 2?
So 2, 4.
What is the square of 4?
So 16.
Very good. So this is your first step. Second, 2 into 4 is 8. 8 into 2 is, we have to
16.
multiply all these two. So this is, you can say, if it is A, if it is B, if it is 2, so we have to find 2AB. We have to multiply all these 3 digits. So 2 into 4 is 8, 8 into 2 is 16. So I'll write 16 here. This becomes 5, 7, 6. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If it is clear, what is the square of 19? Find out. Fast, fast.
So 361.
Yes, Mr. Yedla?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, so what is square of 37?
One three six nine.
Sorry?
1369.
Yes. Devesh?
Yes, sir. 1369.
42. What is a square?
One seven six.
So 1764.
Perfect. See, here only we make mistakes. 4 square is 16. 2 square, we need to write 0, 4. That's why I said, always write it in 2 digits. Here it could be adjusted, but here it makes a difference. And down is 16. So 1764. Clear? Okay. What is 49 square? Yes, what is
2401.
49 square?
2401.
So 2401.
401. Very good. What is square of 55?
So 3025.
3025. Correct. Yes, Mr. Yedla. Did you get the
Yes.
answer?
Yes, sir.
68. What is 68 square?
4602.
So 4624.
4624, not 04. See, 6 6 are 36, 64, and 6 8 are 48, 2 are 96. So how can it be 04?
Okay, sir.
No issues. 77 square.
The 5929.
5929. Yes.
Yes,
Yega.
sir. Yes, sir.
Perfect. 81 square.
Six five six one.
92 square.
Eight four six.
8464.
8464. Perfect. 99 square. The largest two-digit number.
So 9801.
Perfect. Now, so what we were doing, if you understand, generally in school we are taught this a square plus b square plus 2ab, correct? This is what we are taught. This you have done, Devesh?
No, sir.
Okay. So this is the formula we teach there. But here what we were doing, a square, b square, and down we were doing 2ab. One more way is we can write this a square, 2ab, b square with the balancing line. How? See, same example. Let's say 36 square. Now a was 3, so 9. 2ab, 6 3s are 18, 18 2s are 36. And b square, 36. So balancing yesterday I taught you. 6, 9, 3 goes here, 12. Did you understand? So first way we were doing horizontal, vertical. Now I am doing horizontal only. One more, 99 square. So this was 81, 162, 81. So that means 8 goes here, 17, it becomes 170. So 0, 17 goes here, 98. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, there is only the difference. We were doing horizontal and now it is, vertical. Now it is horizontal, but the benefit I'll tell you. Benefit is, see, in case of 31. Now I was writing like this 0, 1. But by mistake, if I don't write 0, 1 and I write 1, this would have been wrong. Correct? In this way. But when you write this way, 9, 6, 1, even then it is correct. If you write 9, 6, 0, 1, then also it is correct. Correct. So that simple mistake of writing in 2 digits can be avoided in this. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Find 78 square. What is 76? Using this only now, horizontal.
Six zero eight four.
6084. Yes, Devesh, what is your answer?
So 6084.
Very good. Okay, 57 square. Yes, Champa?
3249.
3249. Perfect. Okay. Let's do one more and then we'll shift. 69 square.
Sir, 4761.
4761. Okay, is it easy or not now? Tell me. Yes, Devesh.
Yes, sir, easy.
Now, so it is not, yes, this method was finding squares of 2-digit numbers. But this can be applied for 3 also. Not all 3 will do, because the more the number becomes bigger, this will be a this will become tough to find out. So the topic was finding squares of 2-digit numbers. So now you can find from 11 to 99. Any doubt on this?
No, sir.
Simple. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, yes, Devesh, you were saying something?
No, sir.
Okay. Now say, let's say my question is 102 here. It is now 3-digit. So let me say A is equal to 10 and B is equal to 2. Correct? So what is A square?
100.
Perfect. What is 2AB?
20. 40.
Yes, Devesh, what is 2AB? And 4 goes here. Answer is 10404. See, in a single line, you're getting the answer. Otherwise, what is easy? Yes, Devesh, did you understand or not?
Yes, sir.
Why did I shifted 4 here? Why did I shifted 4? Tell me. Yes, Mr. Yedla, why did I shifted
Sir,
4?
because it will add.
It was?
It will add.
Why 40? Why didn't I keep 40 here? Why made only 0? Because to balance the lines, I yesterday taught you balancing lines. 1 digit at one place. Only the last place could have any digits. Now, a question to both of you. Here I said A is equal to 10, B is equal to 2. But can I do like this? A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 0, 2. That means, can I take it this way? Yes, Mr. Yedla.
I think no, sir.
Why?
Because unit digit must have single number.
Unit must have single digit number. That is, yes, as per result, it should have. But then what is ability to think? Can we think somewhere what different? Or can we do something different then? See, this is what we are lacking in. We never try to change the things. Yes, Devesh. Is it possible? Let's try. A square means 1, correct?
Yes.
Yes,
2AB
sir.
means 2 into 1 is 2 into 0, 2 means
4.
0, 4. And square of 0, 2 is 0, 4. This is your answer. Now you will say how 2 digits at each place? Because I have made unit place as a 2-digit number. See, we only defined that unit place is a 2-digit number, so 2 digits existing at all places. Till now, what we learned was that unit place has single digit. So calculation wise also we were keeping single digits. But here when I am defining, when I am making that place of 2-digit number, that means in the answer also 2 digits should come at all the places. So the simple answer 10404. Finish. Single step. Here at least it was taking 2 steps, but here only single. Did you understand this? No. No?
Yes.
Yes or no? Okay. See now. 1, 2, 1. If I have to find a square of this, first method is I keep A as 12, B as 1. So what A square means? 144, 24, and 1. So 2 goes here. It becomes 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. Correct?
Yes.
Devesh, are you getting this thing?
Yes, sir.
फिर बोलते क्यों नहीं हो, बीच में चुप क्यों कर गए? Second time, if I say A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 41. So A is 1. A square is also 1, है ना? B square, sorry, 2AB, 42.
42.
And here 441, 21 square is 441. Now, it is a 2-digit number. That means I can have only 2 digits here. This 4 is extra. I move it here. So it becomes 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
See, what happens? It is you who has to decide. Yesterday also I taught you visual ability. Now, if I know this 21 square, this is better because two digits at one place, it becomes more easy. Got my point? But all depends on your visual ability. Okay, I'll give you a question. 106. Solve by both them. Solve on paper. Give me the answer also and solve in your notebook by both the methods.
One, 1, 2, 3, 6.
Yes. Yes, Devesh, what is the answer?
So 11236.
Did you understand with both the techniques? See,
Yes, sir.
this is where we were lacking. If this question was given in mathematics, in your conventional, you had only one option, this. But here I gave you two options right now. That one is you do this and this. One is you do 10 and 6 and do it. This is the third point. When I said you yesterday, it gives you ability to think. See, that means you are not restricted to go by only one technique. Your brain starts working. You have number of options to solve the same question. I can give you one more technique for this particular number. You will become that answer will become verbal for you. Correct, but you learn such things with time. Okay, let me give you one more question. 321. Now see, if you take here 32 as A, you'll take 2 steps because first you don't know what is the square of 32. So you'll find out in scratch work what is 32 square. So instead of that, the best way is you make A as 3 and B as 21. Then you know at least what is square of 21. Are you getting?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Because 32 you cannot find simply. For that you need to check first what is 32 square. So here, this is better. Why should we go for this? Solve it. So this thing you should understand which method is more simple when we are solving. This you need to understand. So that will always come when you practice something. Correct. So today also I'll be giving you homework and this does not finish. See, you have my WhatsApp number. Whenever you find any problem in Vedic mathematics, you can send me a message on WhatsApp and we can solve the problems. If call is required, you're most welcome for that also. Right. And every Tuesday, every Thursday, I take a live sessions. A live platform is there. Ask me now on Zoom. So that is conducted regularly every Thursday and Tuesday, 9 p.m. So whatever query you have in Vedic maths, you can ask there also. It is free. Don't worry. Right. Yes, tell me. What is the answer? 321.
One zero 4241.
Yes, what is your answer? Devesh? Champa, you're not answering anything today. 10.
4241.
Where did you make mistake?
104241.
That is also wrong. It is 321. So see, 9. 21 into 3 is 63.
69. Oh, sorry.
63.
63. Okay.
So
60.
103041.
Yes. Very good, Devesh. So what is 21 into 3? 63. 63 into 2 is 126. And 21 square is 441. Now I can have two digits only. So this goes here. So that means this becomes 130. So 41, 30, and this one goes here, it becomes 10. So 10, 30, 41. Clear?
Clear.
Yes, sir.
Very good, Devesh. Now, see, this is, I told you this method is particularly for solving 2 digits number. The more bigger it will become 3 digit, it will become tough. But yes, still we can do, still it is convenient than your conventional mathematics. So let's solve one tough also. And then I tell you another technique later on, how to do it this also within seconds. First solve this. By both methods, you should solve on your paper and get the answer. Bit tough, 2 steps, because either you have to find 79 square or you have to find 98 square. But I want you to solve it, please. Done?
Sir, 636804.
636804. Good. Yes, Mr. Yedla, Champa.
We are doing, sir.
Good. Devesh, are you using calculator?
No, sir.
Send me a screenshot. Show me your notebook. What is square of 79?
Sir, 5053704.
It is 636804. See where you are making some mistake. Devesh, you have not shared me your. Yes, Devesh, what you have taken? A as.
79.
779.
So what is 79 square?
50341.
देवेश मैं आपसे पूछ रहा हूँ बेटा कैलकुलेटर यूज कर रहे हैं देवेश
Sir, 6241.
इतनी देर क्यों सेकंड व्हाट इज 79 into 16 1264 8 square 64 so that means only single digit 4 6 goes here 10 it becomes 1270 so 0 here 127 is added so that gives me 8636 so 63804 yes Mr. Yedla where did you get wrong
Yes, sir, I did wrong at 79 square.
that was also needed now 79 square yes 49 79 is 63 that means 126
81.
81 so 1 8 goes here that is 134 so 4 13 goes here so that becomes 262 now what is the problem is if you practice this small calculations you'll get within immediately you'll be able to do it mentally
Okay.
and that is required so yesterday also I was telling bigger things are easy the only thing we are lacking in the basics smaller things and we don't want actually what happens we don't want to learn the simple calculations we just want to jump on the bigger things no I want to learn calculus I want to learn trigonometry I want yes agreed what about the basics of arithmetics that is required correct okay last question I'm giving you 999 now this question you might take 2 to 3 4 minutes also but same question you'll be solving in 3 seconds after 10 20 10 15 minutes friend I'll teach you another trick another concept see Vedic mathematics does not mean that one problem you have one solution no you have different methods to solve but solve this with the first concept right now yeah, I'll give you the answer here itself it is 998001 I know because mentally I have calculated. So I want you to get the same answer. Check.
Double 98001.
Perfect. I gave you the answer initially only, and this is the most easiest question of Vedic maths, you know. One can solve this within seconds. There are techniques, there are methods. There are 5 different methods to solve this particular problem. One, I'll just show you, but I cannot right now explain. We write down this number, how much it is less than 1000 minus 1 y. This becomes 1001 and here it becomes 998. Finish. One more method is where when you multiply something with 999 or 99, you subtract 1 from here. So that is, you get 998. Now this 998 is to be subtracted from 999. So this is, so these are two different methods I've shown you, but more methods are there. Yes, Devesh, did you get the answer?
No, sir.
Why? See, 999 here. So what is, I'm taking this as single digit, 81. What is 99 into 9 into 9? Tell me.
1782.
1781.
178.
82.
And here, what is 98 square? 9801. Just now we did it. So we keep 0, 1 here. 98 goes here. That means it becomes 80, 18. Correct? So 80 comes here and 81 plus 18, that is 99. So answer is 998001. Yes, it was bit tedious by this method because you have to find 9 square, then you have to find 9 into 99 and into 2 then, and then 99 square also. The same question, just remember after 10-15 minutes we'll do within 3 seconds. Right? So keep this method for 2 digits only. And if it is 3 digits, you have to follow the same procedure. But if it is near to 100, then it is easy. So 121 was easy, 100 was easy, 106 was easy. But the more the number becomes bigger than hundreds, then it would be difficult. Correct? Okay. Any question you have? Yes, any question you have?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So now do you want to do the same? Do you want to find the answer within 1 second?
Yes.
Verbal. Okay. So finding, I'll give you one concept. Finding pairs of numbers ending with 5. I gave you one question in between. That was 55 square. Correct? And you said, so it was 25, 50, 25. And that becomes 30 to 5. Correct? But now I want that the moment I say 55, you should say 3025. How? I'll tell you. But the condition is the numbers should end by 5. Let's take first example, 15. Now here also basically we'll be applying the first sutra. That was Ekadhikena Purvena, what we applied in 9. See, whenever you find 5 at unit place, now what is square of 5?
25.
25. Correct? Whatever is the number or numbers left. Now here it is, number is 1. So multiply that 1 with the next number. Next number, what is always the next number? That means always add 1. So what is 1 into 2?
So 2.
So answer is 225. Now see, 25 square. I'll teach you. What is 2? What comes after 2?
3.
So what is 2 into 3?
So 6.
6.
And here 5 will always give 25. 625. 35. What comes after 3?
1, 2, 2, 5.
1, 2, 2, 5. Devesh, did you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If it is clear, what is 45 square? First.
20, 25.
Yes, Devesh.
So 161.
Huh? See, what is 4? What comes after 4?
So 5.
So what is 4 into 5?
So 20.
So speak up. 2025 is the answer. Now what is 55 square? Now can you speak?
3025.
Because 5 into 6 is 30.
3025.
Correct. What is 65 square? First.
4225.
So 4225.
Perfect. What is 75 square?
5625. 5625.
Very good. Yes, Devesh, did you understand?
Yes, sir.
7 into 8. Don't get confused that, okay, what is 85 square?
72.
So
25.
72,
25.
25.
So now see, you're getting a practice of your tables also. This is small things you get practiced also. What is 95 square? Fast.
9025.
Yes.
9025.
Devesh, क्या है आंसर?
So 9025.
तो इतनी देर क्यों? What is 95? Okay, 95 square done. What is 105 square?
11025.
So 11025.
Because 100 into 11, sorry, 10 into 11 is 100. Very good. What is 115 square then? Yesterday we did 12 into 11. What is 12 into 11? 13225.
So 13225.
What is
Yes.
125 square? So what is 13 into 12? Yes, Mr. Yedla. 13 into 12. Your maths teacher teaching M1, M1, 2, and 3. 13 into 12 is 156.
Yes. 15625.
15625.
What is 135 square? What is 13 into 14? 182.
So 18225.
Last, okay. So see how where we are lacking. We're lacking in simple small calculations only. That is why we are mentally slow. What is 14 into 15? Tell. Fast. 210. See, if you have to calculate 14 into 15, that means 10 and 4. So
So
150.
21025.
Correct. Any doubt now?
Sir, how do we calculate 14 into 15 quicker?
Quicker. What is 14 and what is 15? There are two methods. One thing is we know what is actually 14. See, mentally you can say 15 into 10 plus 4.
Yes.
So what is 15 into 10? 150.
So
What is 15
150.
into 4? 60. So this is 210.
Okay.
Or the reverse way, 14 into 10 plus 5. So what is 14 into 140 plus 70?
So 210.
Both the ways. See, that is what you need to understand. When I start with the Vedic mathematics course, first you are taught addition only. How to do additions, and that is very important. See, why do we lack? Because we don't know the basics. If you remember, Mr. Yedla, your parents, your grandparents, they used to calculate so fast. Do you know why? Because they were totally doing it mentally. If you ask the table of 2.25, they would tell you. Right? You might
Right.
have heard.
Right.
So that means, are we progressing or are we going downwards?
We use calculators nowadays.
Okay, one small question then. How many phone numbers do you remember?
No, sir.
And 10 years
Only-
back, when you started engineering, at that time there was a dial-up phone, correct?
Yes.
Then that time, how many phone numbers do you remember?
At the time, I use a mobile phone only, sir. I'm not using a dialer.
So that time, if you ask today your parents, that time we used to remember hundreds and hundreds of phone numbers. Why do
Yeah.
we don't remember now? Because we have programmed our brains that everything is stored in my mobile number. Nothing to worry, nothing to see. This is your programming only done by you. Nobody has, or do you think your brain has gone dead?
No.
Then, if it would have been dead, would you have remembered the movies?
No. No.
Same is the case with children. Devesh, how many movies you remember?
So 5.
Don't tell me 5. So, see, students can remember 40 movies frame by frame. They can remember 20 lyrics of songs that, line by line. So, why not a 40-minute class of mathematics? We have programmed answer. It is tough. We cannot do it. I showed you a right example. See case of M1, M2, M3. Because the fear is already there. Ki maths is a stress, maths is a havoc, maths is a fear factor. So we cannot do it. When you are coming with this intention in this class, how will you understand? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So what you should do is arrange a session, give them the basics of this session in your college and see the difference then in your class. See, when you'll go to the roots, when you'll basically understand what is lacking, you're lacking, then you'll understand. We always ignore this. Yo, we know this, or why should we learn? See, this is what is in us. Math teachers think, why should I learn tables more now? I am a PhD holder, I am a doctorate. Why should I learn the basics? I can do it. And nobody asked me in the paper. All the doctorates, they give this kind of answers. No, sir, if this is a fact, nobody asks tables in maths exams. So why do we ask students to cram it? Why do you force students to cram it? Just to create that fear. Think upon it. Right? So we don't know what we are doing. No issues. Is it clear now?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now, do you know why it happened? Why? I can give you the base behind this also. The basics are, see, just now we learned AB here is equal to A square 2AB B square. Just now we learned in the first. Now, if B is 5, correct? So that means A 5 here. Let's do it this way. So A square 25 into 2 is 50. B square is 25, correct? Sorry,
Correct.
sorry.
10 10.
10A.
Okay.
Correct.
Yes.
Now, what is this? Now, this 10 is position. So it happens A square. This A, I move here. So it moves, one moves along with it. So A, and here it is 0. So you can say 2 comes here, 5. So it becomes A into A plus 1. And you can, because this is 2 different, so you can have like this only. So what is this? A is your number. In case of 15, A into A plus 1. So that was 1 plus 1. Or what I was saying, the next number. How do you find the next number? By adding 1. So this is the base. A into A plus 1, and the other side it is 25. Clear now?
Sir.
Now I'll give you a third way. So first we learned how to find the squares of 2-digit numbers. Yes, we calculated some 3 also. Second, we did how to find the square of numbers ending with 5. Now you are clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
It becomes verbal. Okay, one. Give me one answer. 205. What is the answer? Fast. Very simple. So what is 20 into 21?
420, 25.
That's all.
So 420, 25.
Now, see, is it difficult? Is it difficult?
No, sir.
Nothing.
No, sir.
Nothing is difficult. The only thing is you should be able to visualize. If you are not able to visualize this, oh, it is ending with 5, then nobody can help you out. Then go by this method. Keep on doing. And what happens in this methods? Multiple carryovers are coming. And that is the only problem for your calculations mistakes. Here also a carryover will come. When at the third step, I'll find 2 into 5 is 10. Then also here it should come. So a student gets confused. I have to write 2 or 1. And it happens. Clear? Done? Any questions you have, please ask me now. Any
Sir,
question?
when we do answers, we got the different kind of numbers and we are unable to recognize what the role is applied to that particular.
No, I'll tell you now. See, in Vedic maths, what do you have? One would be general technique. When I taught the first concept, it was finding the squares of 2-digit numbers only. Now in 5th, 6th class, you get only this much. So for that, it was sufficient. But now if the question is 25 square and you are trying to find that using that, then you are wasting your time. 5, you cannot see. That you will obviously remember. Even you can find verbal numbers ending with 4, numbers ending with 6, number ending with 9, number ending with 1 very easily. Right? So even in multiplication, when we do multiplication, we have 2 general techniques. One is called as Nikhilam, one is called as Urdhva Sutra. But now if special category is coming, then we have special numbers. Like yesterday I did special category of multiplication, that was 11. Similarly, there is a multiplication of 9, 99, 99 and all. There is a multiplication of 101, 1001 and so on. There is a multiplication of 11 to 19. There is, so see, for special numbers, it will not make difference. What we say is, when we are doing maths from so long and we are into fear, like tables I did, what was there? What was the problem in that? Okay, let's go step by step. If you cannot remember for numbers ending with 9, at least the second case was very easy. Yes, Mr. Yedla? Was it difficult? Was it difficult? So if it was not difficult, why we are not adopting this? Why we were not doing this till now? Are you getting my point?
Yes, yes.
See, the point is we cannot be judgmental. Today is just a second day. And we have been doing mathematics since years. 30 years compared with 3 hours cannot be done. Ask those people who have done teacher training programs, either from me or anyone else.
Okay.
Anyone else in the world. Ask them how it changes your life, how it changes your personality, how it brings a difference in you. Because everything you come across any situation in your life, what you'll do, you'll start visualizing, oh, why it happened. Then you'll find a reason behind it and then apply logic. So your nature will calm down. You'll have the habit of observing things. You'll have the habit of visualization. So that is what has been taught through ages. If you go to any you can say scholar, any healing center, any art of living kind of centers, what do they teach? Calm down. And we are not able to do that only. But with Vedic maths, because you have to visualize, this becomes a habit in you. And when it becomes a part of your life, a habit, then things change. Got it?
Okay.
Sure, no issues. So now we'll understand the third way. So the third is, we call it as a universal method of finding squares. Now this has a different. This works on the principle of a plus b into a minus b. This is the basic principle behind this. Let's say how. So my first question was, I think 16 square. Correct? And just now I
The
did.
32.
Sorry,
The 32.
स्केयर बोल रहा हूं, एडिशन नहीं बोल रहा हूं. क्या हो गया? 16 plus 16 नहीं बोला, 16 multiply by 16 बोला. Now, in this particular method, what do we do?
The 256.
Don't give me the answer. See another method. My
Okay, sir.
aim is to get 0 here. How will I get 0 over here?
So we will minus.
Minus what?
No, 16 minus 6.
Okay. Yes, Mr. Yedla, how can
Yes.
you get 0 over here?
By subtracting 6.
Why not adding 4?
Yeah, that's also possible.
So why we didn't think that way? Okay, now see. I subtracted 6. I got 10. So
Yes.
Yes, sir.
why I subtracted? So whatever I subtract, add it. What do I get? 16 plus 6 is
So 22.
22. Multiply these two. 22 into 10 is
210.
So 220.
220. Add to this whatever you subtracted or whatever you added, square of that. So what is square of 6?
36.
What is the answer?
256.
So 256.
Now see another thing. 16. Can I add 4?
Yes, sir.
What will I get?
So 20.
20. But now I added, so I have to subtract also same. What do I get here?
So 16.
12.
16 minus 4. How much?
12.
So what is 12 into 2? 20.
240.
40. Add to this, square of this. What is that?
16.
So
56.
256.
See how many ways? One more example. Just write down first in your notebook. I'll give you one more example, which was very tough for you earlier. I'll give you. Okay, I'll get water. You can write down once. Got it? Written? Now see, a very important example was there. 999. This was very difficult for you. Correct? Now see here. 999. Can I add 1? Adding 1, it will become 1000. Subtracting 1, it will become 998. Multiply. Can you multiply 998 with 1000? Is it tough? 998 000. Perfect. And what is
Yes, sir.
1? Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What earlier you did? You found this first 9 square, then 99 square you found, then 9 into 99 into 2 you did. How many calculations you did? And then you added also. Here, is it any big calculation? Yes, Mr. Yedla, any big
No.
calculation?
No, sir.
It's just like a magic.
Yes.
this was the reason why I was getting 0 here, because if it is 0 on the unit place, tens place, then it is very easy to calculate. Because multiplying with single digit number is the most easiest thing. Then put zeros. 998 into 1 is 998 and 3 zeros after. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, write down. Then I'll give you questions now. Written?
Yes, sir.
Sure. Now, let's say 102. So minus 2, 100 and plus 4. So what is this? 104, 00. What is square of 2? 4. Answer is 10404. Finish. Done? Yes, Devesh, Yedla. Done
Yes,
or
sir.
not?
Done, sir.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
find out square of 106 by this. Find out. You know, Mr. Yedla, I have written 13 different methods to find squares in my book. So, and you cannot say that students will not remember. See, some techniques are like numbers ending with 5. So easy. You don't remember. See, once you do it one time, you'll remember for life. Yes, what is the answer?
11236.
11236.
Very good. Okay, 1 0. Chalo, not 1 0. 1 1 1. What is the answer? Yeah.
One, two, three, two, one.
Yes, Devesh.
74321.
Okay. What is 498? Yeah. 498. Yeah.
Two, four, 8, 0, 0.
Come again.
It's 24, 8, 0, 4.
Okay. Yes, what about you, Devesh?
Sir, did not come.
498. So can I add 2?
Yes, sir.
What is the answer? 500.
Yes, sir.
If I added, I have to subtract also. What is the
Yes,
answer?
sir. So
496.
496.
Now, what is 496 into 5? Now, right now today you might find it difficult to multiply with 5. But when you understand multiplying with 5 is nothing but dividing by 10, right? Slowly, sorry, dividing by 2. So right now 496 into 5 is
Sir,
2.
2480.
Perfect. And then 2
And
zeros.
sir, 248000.
And then 4. So what was the difficulty? Got it? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then one more. So find out 213 square. What happened? 213. So that means minus 13. So 200 plus 13 means 226. So what is 226 into 2? 4, 5, 2, 0, 13 square is 169. So answer is 452.
4527
So 45.
69.
2 क्यों? 13
Yeah,
square
4.
कितना होता है?
Okay.
So 45369.
369.
Got it? Okay. 197 square. Yes. So 197.
So
I'll add
38809.
200. This becomes 194 because subtraction. So 194 into 2. This is
So 38809.
3800 and this. So now you are clear, Divesh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Satya Narayana,
Yes.
Mr. Yedla.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So this is, so first we learned how to find out the squares of 2-digit numbers. Then we also found squares of numbers ending with 5. And the last technique was the universal method, where it becomes more easier. Correct? Any doubts?
No, sir.
Right. So now we'll be learning about how to launch your classes. Yes, Devesh, you can, if you want, you can skip for some minutes, 20 minutes, because it would be related to how to launch classes. And even Mr. Yela, if you're not, if you want the first cubes, we can start with cubes first, not an issue. Right. Yes, Champa, what do you want first, cubes or was? Okay, we'll start with cubes then.
Okay.
Now, like we did squares, what is a cube of a number? Yes, Devesh. And what, yes, Mr. Yela. What is a cube of a number?
A number 3 times itself.
Yes, so n cube. That means n into n into n. Now the problem arises. If somebody asks you what is a cube of 12, how will you find, Devesh or Mr. Yedla?
12 square into 12. 144 into 12.
So that means first you will find out this. Correct.
Yes.
So 144. Again, you'll go for 144 into 12.
Yes.
Correct? So 8, 8, 2, 0, 1, 4, 4, 8, 2, 7, 1. Now, what happens? This was a very small number. If it is bigger, then here also in Vedic maths, we have a simpler way to solve all the numbers, to solve or to find the cubes of the number. Yes, Devesh, is it clear what is a cube first thing?
Yes, sir.
Now, okay, so what is the cube of 1? Devesh,
One.
what is cube of 1?
So 1.
How? Because 1 into 1 into 1. So this is 1. What is cube
Yes.
of 2? 2 into
Sir,
2 into
8.
2. 8. What is cube of 3? 3 into 3 into 3.
Sir, 18.
27.
27. So
27.
27.
What is cube of 4? 4 into 4 into 4.
64.
So 64.
So please first write down this table. Remember, again, we'll be using the same things to find cubes of bigger numbers. Please write down this and I'll be back. Write down. Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's start with the, okay. Now, to make it more fun, more interesting, the first topic is finding cubes of 2-digit numbers. Right. So what are the 2-digit numbers? Which starting from 10 to
99.
99.
So
Now,
99.
10 we have already done, so we'll be focusing on 11 to 99. Correct? Now,
Correct.
let's make it more easy. So first I'll divide all the numbers into 4 categories. First, numbers starting with 1. What are the numbers starting with 1? 11, 12, 13, up till 19.
So 11 to 19.
Perfect. You got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Second, numbers ending with 1.
21. 31. 81.
So
90.
11
So 11, 21, 31, 41, 50.
and 91. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Third, numbers having both digits same.
So
22.
So,
33.
so 44, 55.
11, 22, 33, 44, 55,
So
66.
11 ki to sorry.
Correct?
89.
Very good. That's great. And the last, numbers other than above. All the numbers which are not covered in other, right? Like 23, 24, up till 98. Clear?
Yes, sir.
You can write down this. So we'll be dealing, and remember, it would be very fun, very easy to understand and to remember. Written?
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
So let's do first numbers starting with 1. Now let's take for example 12. I have to find 12 cubes. Now
So 12 multiplied by 12 multiplied by 12.
That we have not to do ना बेटा, वो तो कर लिया. First step, I'll make some steps. First step, create 4 spaces. Why 4 spaces I have created? Why not 3? Why not 5? Yes, Mr. Yedla.
I think A plus B whole cube has 4 monomers, right?
Which? Sorry, come again.
A plus B whole cube formula has A cube plus 3A square B plus 3 AB square plus B cube. 4 terms.
No, actually, see, the minimum required is 4. If you say, what is cube of 10? It is 1000. So minimum 4 spaces are required. Maximum it could go any limit, correct?
Yes, yes.
Second, write the first digit here, second digit here. I think it's very simple. First here, second here. Any problem in this? Third. Now, other than 1, find the square of this number. What is square of 2?
4.
Right
4.
here, right at the third position. Find cube of 2 right here. What is cube of 2?
8.
So 8.
This is your third step finished. Fourth step, 1, 2, 4, 8. If you remember in finding the squares, I was not doing anything with this first digit. So here also, you have to deal with only these 2 middle terms. Only middle terms. What you have to do? Double them. Double means multiply by 2. So what is double of 2?
So
4.
4.
What is double of 4?
8.
8.
Add it.
So 12.
8 to 8 is as it is. 12 means 2, 1 goes here, na? 7. What is the answer? Got the answer?
1728.
Got it? One more example
Yes,
I'll
sir.
give you first. You can write down if you want.
Sir, I think it is 1. 7 must be corrected, right?
Why?
4 plus 1 plus 2 plus 2 is 9.
No.
Adding
Actually,
numbers.
it was 12 here.
Okay.
So 12 means here it was 6. So that 1 goes here. Na? 4 plus 8 was 12. So at their place values you have to do. Na?
So we don't need to add all the rows.
No, only adding we have to do all. I'll show you one example more, then you'll better understand. Now let's take 14 as an example. 14
Okay.
cube. First is 1, then 4. What is square of 4?
16.
What is cube of 4?
64.
So 64.
Double of this 8, double of this 32. Up till here, any doubt? It is
Okay.
1, 12, 48, 64. Now you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
balance it. 4, this goes here, 54, so 4, 5 goes here, so 7, 1 goes further, finish.
Okay. Now it is clear.
Now it is clear? So
Yes.
let me recall that. 1, it was 1, 2, 4, 8. Doubling 4, 8. So it was 1, 6, 12, 8. So 8, 2, 7, 1. Correct?
Correct.
Now it is clear? Yes, Devesh.
Yes, sir.
Kitna easy ho gaya? So easy, nothing to do. Now, if it is clear, find out 13 cube. What is the answer?
It's 39.
Sorry?
So 39.
देवेश क्या हो जाता है आपको बीच बीच में? मल्टीप्लाई की बजाय ऐड कर देते हो. क्या मैं पूछूंगा आपसे 13 इंटू 13 प्लस 13 पूछूंगा?
2197.
Huh?
2197.
Wrong. No, sorry. Yes, sorry. Yes, Devesh. 13 cube. That means 1, 3. What is square of 3? 9. What is
9,
cube of 3?
27,
27. 6,
6,
18.
18,
27,
27,
27, 9, 1.
1.
So this goes here, so 7, 9. This goes here, so 1. 1 goes here, so 2.
Sir, that's what I said.
Yes, nahi, I said you are correct. I was confused.
Okay.
Okay, let's solve 18 cube then.
सर वाला नहीं आया अभी भी
Sorry, come again.
सर ये वाला नहीं आया अभी भी
आप 1 का 1 और 3 लिख लिया.
यस सर
3 का स्क्वायर कितना होता है?
तो 6
फिर अब बताओ इसका मैं कितनी बार बताऊं? 3 into 3 करना है. स्क्वायर का मतलब क्या होता है?
9
देवेश ध्यान कहाँ है? अब हम 2 घंटे से एक ही चीज पढ़ रहे हैं. स्क्वायर मींस मल्टीप्लिकेशन. फिर आप ऐड कर रहे हो. एग्जॉस्ट हो गए?
4392.
बोलो देवेश.
नो सर
ठीक. अच्छा स्क्वायर कितना होगा? 9. क्यूब कितना? वो टेबल्स मैंने 2 आपको दिए थे. 3 का क्यूब कितना होता है? 27. 3 ना. 3 into 3 into 3 कितना हुआ? 3 3 9 9 3 is 27. So that is cube. अब मिडिल टर्म्स को डबल करना है सिर्फ. तो 6, 3 का डबल 6, 9 का डबल 18. ऐड कर दो सबको. 1 लाइन बैलेंसिंग लाइन यूज करो ताकि गलती ना हो. फिनिश. अब बैलेंस करिए. 7, 2 goes here, 9, 2 goes here, 11. So 1 goes further. Yes, what is the cube of 18? Now is it clear, Devesh, or not?
यस सर
थोड़ा ध्यान दो बेटा. हो जाएगा. प्रैक्टिस करेंगे ना, हो जाएगा. Don't mix addition and multiplication. Yes, tell me.
4392.
No, beta.
सर 4392
4 3
92.
सर 92
कॉपी कर रहे हैं उनका. 1 8. What is square of 8?
64.
What is cube of 8?
500.
So what is double 128?
Yes. 16.
16.
16
So 124 here. कितने डिजिट्स आएंगे हर? वही 8. 51 यहाँ गया तो क्या आया? 3. This is 2 4 3.
Okay.
तो 24 आगे गया तो 48 का 8. 4 आगे गया तो 5 8. Got it? Yes, Mr. Yedla. कहाँ प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है?
Yeah, I forget to add middle number 64, 128, 190.
Now is it clear?
Yes, sir.
लास्ट कर लीजिए 19 क्यूब. देवेश, you didn't attempted 18. You just answered what he was answering. That is wrong. Yes, what is the answer? What is the answer?
Sir, doing, sir. 6859.
6859. Very good. Yes, Devesh, did you get the answer?
Yes, sir. Doing. Sir, 2 minutes.
Okay, do it. Now, so first is clear now, numbers starting with 1. Second case, numbers ending with 1. Second category will be using numbers ending with 1. So what are the numbers? 11, 21, 31, 41, 51 up till 91. Again, first create 4 spaces. This is the first step. Second, now earlier it was starting with 1, so I was writing from left hand side. Now I have to write from right hand side. This is the only difference. 1, 2. I'm taking first example as 21. So I'll write 1 at the last, 2 in the middle side. Clear up till here?
Okay.
Yes,
Third,
sir.
third. Now, what is square of 2?
4.
4. What is cube of 4? 2? 8.
8.
So, last step you all know. Doubling. So double is 8, double is 4. So see, 1, 6, 8, 4 are 12. So 1 goes further. So 2 and 9. 9, 2, 6, 1 is the answer.
Okay.
Is it tough, Mr. Yedla?
Oh, no.
Yes, Devesh, is it tough?
No, sir.
See, finding the cubes of 2-digit numbers. Earlier we were multiplying twice, but now it is just as simple as ABC. Got it? Okay, I'll take one more example. Let's take 51 cube. So what is that? Okay.
1, 5, 20,
1, 5,
5, 25,
25, and
1, 125.
125. So cube of 5 is 125. Correct. So we'll
1,
double it. 5
10.
2s are
So
10.
10.
50,
So 50.
And we get the answer 125, 75,
75,
15,
50,
15.
1,
and then
1.
1,
1,
5,
5.
6, and 1, 3, 2.
1, 3, 2, 6, 3, 1.
So is it difficult?
No, sir.
No,
Yes,
sir.
Devesh. Is it difficult?
No, sir.
You will remember, I had a student, she was in 8th standard. And she said when somebody asked, the teacher asked to solve 21 cube, everybody was taking 2 minutes, 3 minutes, and she was able to solve within 10 seconds. That is what you will gain when you are solving faster. You will gain that confidence in the class, right? Okay, so solve 71 cube. '71 cube. So 1, 7. What is square of 7? 49. What is
49.
cube of 7?
49.
Cube of 7. Yes. What is
343. 343.
343.
Now double is 98. Double is 14. And I just add 21, 7, 147. Correct? 1, 3, 4, 3. So 1, 1, 2 goes here. It becomes 9. 14 goes here. So it becomes 3, 5, 7.
So 3, 5, 7, 9, 1, 1.
Any doubt now?
No.
Perfect. Okay. So that means we can solve any numbers, cubes of numbers starting with 1 or ending with 1. Correct. This is up till here, it is clear. Now let's go for third case. Numbers in where both the digits are same. Let it be 11, let it be 22 or anything. So first case, I'll take 22. Any hint you have?
To 11.
I have to find the cube. Okay, I'll give you very easy. This is the most easiest one. What is cube of 2?
8.
So 8.
Write down 8 at all the places. So third step done. Fourth step, double it. So 8, 24, 24, 8. So 8, 4, 6, 10. Finish. If you are suppose asked 33 cube, so what you'll do? Nothing. Cube of 3 is 27, 27, 27, 27. So that means 54, 54, 27,
7.
then 81, 81, 27.
81.
So 7, 3, 9, 35. Finish.
3597.
Is it tough now?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So that I told you initially only, it will make your cubes easy, faster, fun. Okay. Try 55 cube. Try this. Try 55 cube.
One double 6 3 7 5.
1.
Double
So
6
166
3 7 5.
375.
Any question, any doubt you have? Yes, any doubt you have? Okay, do 66 cube. Last. So what is a cube of 6? Cube of 6. Yes, Sushila.
Sir 287496.
287496. Very good. Calculator से तो नहीं कर रहे ना? Yes, Devesh.
No, sir.
Pakka.
Yes, sir.
What is cube of 6 then? Six का cube.
216.
216.
So 216, 216, 216, and 216. Finish. So then 432, 432. So that gives you 6, 4, 8, 6, 4, 8, 216, 216. So 6 here, 21 goes. So 9, 66 goes further. So 4, 1, 7. So 4, 71 goes to 7, 8, 2. How easy it becomes. So yesterday what we learned was balancing lines, and that is now you're getting how balancing lines play an important role.
Yes.
Correct. So this is what you need to learn. Okay. Last case. Case 4. When all the three conditions are not met. So let's say if a number is 23. Now what to do? So now you have to remember the formula. But if you remember, this is a cube a square b, b square a, and b cube. This we need to remember. Again, this is third step. If you remember, at the fourth step, we used to double this. So doubling means adding 2a square b to b square a. So that becomes a cube 3a square b, 3b square a, and b cube, which is very much similar to what we use in our arithmetic algebra. A plus b cube is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab plus b, or even you can say like this: a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. See, there is a difference between application. The difference is formula is same, but here you keep on adding the numbers, and when you add, it becomes a bigger value. But here you segregate with the help of balancing line, and this becomes easy. I'll give you example on this also, but let's solve first with the help of this. Now, first example, I took 12. I'll do 12 later. So 23 is what we need to solve, suppose. So here A is 2, B is 3. Yes, Devesh, clear? Up till here?
Yes, sir.
A is 2, B is 3. Perfect. So what is A square B? Yes, Devesh. A square B क्या होगा?
6.
2 into 2 into 3. A square का मतलब भूल गए आप? A square means A into A. So 4
So
into 3 is
12.
12. What is B square A? 3 into 3 into 2. 18.
18.
So formula क्या था? A cube, A square B, B square A, and B cube. So A cube means 8, A square B means 12, 18, B cube means 27. So last step we have to write doubling 24, 36, finish. 27, 54, 36, 8. So that means 7, 6, 1, 12. 1, 2, 1, 6, 7. Now is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now you write on once this, I'll clear all your doubts. Written?
Writing.
Clear? Done?
Clear. Done.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Now see, I started with number 12. Now here A is 1, B is 2. What is A cube?
1.
A cube is 1. A square B is 2. B square A is 4. And B cube is 8. Correct?
Yes.
And what I thought, I said write 1 as it is, 2 as it is, then find the square of 2. It was 4, and then find the cube of 8 until 2, 8. See, same.
Yes.
Now, one thing is, yes, you can remember the formula and apply it for everything. But why should we make so calculations if I orally know this thing? And the last step is always same. Similarly, next question I took 21. Here also A was 2, B was 1. What is A cube? 8. What is A square B? 2 into 2 into 1, 4. What is B square A? 2. What is B cube? 1. But what I thought, I said from here write 1, then this is the same number,
So,
then
sir, 4.
and then 8.
Right.
So until unless we find interest in the class, we will never be able to learn. Yesterday also I told, concentration means repetitive doing something with interest. So basic point we need to understand with interest. If we don't find it interesting, we will never be able to learn. That is the key to success. And the last I did, third method we did was 22. Both same. Now apply again. A cube 8, A square B 8, B square A 8, B cube 8. Now the same I said, find cube of one number, write at all digits. Clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So find out 145 cube. 5. Yes, what is the answer?
91125.
9.
1125.
Yes, Devesh.
Sir, doing. Sir, 91125.
Very good. So that brings to the end of topic of cubes for finding 2 digits. Again, for bigger digits, we can learn. The very first thing is we need to practice up till here, right? But yes, for 3 digits, the same process will follow. You can divide this into 2 and you can do it, right? So let me tell you first the syllabus, like what I generally teach in teachers training program or in class school programs. I just brief up. So will not take much time in that, but I'll just brief up. Now, if you have seen, Mr. Yedla, the advertisement that was mentioning become a trainer in 6 weeks, correct? Now, what does that mean? Here, I'll define you. See, the complete teacher training program, that is roughly 72 hours, correct? So it can be divided into 2 parts. Every class session would be 2 hours each. So that means 36 minimum classes. Correct. Now, if it is Saturday, Sunday, 2 days, so that will take approximately 4 months to complete. Right. But if it is Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 3 days a week, then it will take 3 months. Correct. Now, generally timings are 9 to 11 and 6 to 8 p.m. for teachers training. Right. Devesh, for you, because there are batches before 6, right?
Yes, sir.
Any question on this timing? Now, yes, in the ad, it was becoming 6 weeks. Now I'm saying 3 months. 3 months means more than that. See, earlier the classes were, because during Corona time, students or teachers were very much free. So at that time, the classes were 3 hours each. So when it was 3 hours each, so less time was being taken. So it was, now you can very well imagine how, right? So 24 classes were being conducted, and within 24, so 24 classes, if it is 3 hours, so it was being conducted in 6 weeks itself, right? So that was a reason. Earlier it was 3 hours classes, but now since all are busy, engaged, so we take only 2 hours classes, right? So this was one thing. Now, what all topics I generally teach? So there are 6 steps of learning. Now, why I don't call it as levels? Because still government has not prescribed any particular syllabus. Every university is following their own particular syllabuses. Now, my syllabus is being used in entirely Nepal, with Kathmandu University following the same. My syllabus is being used with Madhav University, and so many trainers in India, they are using my books. We are customizing them for them, and they are getting. The books have been awarded nationally, as I told you earlier also. So how does it start? The first thing is introduction to Vedic mathematics, terminology used, finding the complement, digital root. Now, digital root is a very easy concept with which any student, right from class 1, class 2, they can start with that, and they can verify your answers. Now, what problem, Devesh, or you were facing was you didn't know whether your answer was correct or not. Correct. So I can give you, or Vedic Maths has a solution to this. Within 30 seconds, not even 30, 10 seconds, you can find whether your answer is correct or not. So that is a concept called as digit sum. Then we have vinculum numbers, a very important topic. I generally take live session on this also, vinculum numbers, so that everybody should know. It is a very important topic of Vedic mathematics. And numbers, like I'll tell you, in normal, we have 10 numbers: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But vinculum means we want to reduce the strength of the numbers. We are not looking forward for 6, 7, 8, and 9. So the calculations also become easy, right? So this is one. Second, we deal with tables in the first step itself, so that a clarity is given how Vedic maths would be important, how it would be helpful. And then we start from the basics of addition, subtraction. Yesterday I said simultaneous addition and subtraction. Yes, we'll be doing in this. So this is step 1. Really takes around 8 to 10 hours to do it. Then is your multiplication. Starts with multiplication. That is Nikhilam Sutra is one, in which you can do big calculations with the mind. Like I said, 999 into 111, that is 998,001. So that is with the help of this. You can call it as a mental multiplication, very easy method. So entire step 2 deals with this. Step 3 are the different other ways of doing multiplication. First is Urdhva Sutra and then special cases. So yesterday we did 8th topic, that was multiplication with 11 and 9th and 10th. 3 topics we covered. Even algebra, you were asking about algebra. Yes, that can be done within single line. Yesterday, if you can see on the YouTube, there is a video of yesterday's class I took 9 to 11. There, algebra was taught and hardly takes half an hour to understand the concepts of algebra of multiplication, right? Fourth, you start with all this squaring, cubing, and today we did 7th topic, that was finding the square of 2, 3, 4 digit numbers, ending with 5. We did 6th topic, method for finding squares of 2 digit number, and we also did universal method, that was 11th topic. 18th topic also in cubes we did, right? So this step deals with all squares, cubes. After that starts with your division. Now it's not necessary that if you are asked to divide by 5 and so you have to make that tree and divide it. No, in actual, whenever you are asked to divide by 550, 500, 5000, 0.5, 2.5, 25, 250, 2500, or 1.25, 0.125, 12.5, then in actual you don't have to divide. You have to multiply by 2, 4, 8, 16, 32 and all. So this you need to understand, because division will always consume more time and multiplication can be done in a single line. Correct? Yes, there are division methods of division also, which we can solve. Then there was I told you about 7. That is very useful for engineering students. LCM, HCF, fractions. So this all is covered. And last, you cover square roots, cube roots, right? Again, the tables which we did today, 2 tables, that are very helpful further in finding square roots and cube roots. Quadratic equations, polynomial equations, calendar, magic square, all will be doing in the last step. So it takes nearly 3 to 4 months to become a teacher, trainer for Vedic mathematics. Rest, your practice, your delivery, that depends. But yes, if you work with me, I give you the opportunity to teach also, right? So this was the entire syllabus. Now, we'll be starting one batch very shortly. That would be Monday, Wednesday, Friday. And the fees for that is 14,999 for this. After this workshop, this is what you are getting. It includes 1 set of books also. You'll be getting 1 set of books free, certification that would be international. All the designs. See, what is the benefit for learning? Whatever designs you see, if you are launching your own classes, you will get free from my side. All the support letters, templates, like Mr. Yela, I was discussing, you can give seminars. Now, what content you'll be using, that can be given to you. If you want to go for other schools, what letters you need, all that can be, that you will be getting from my side, right? So this was all regarding the classes. Any questions now you have, you can ask me. Yes, Devesh. Devesh, आपका भी syllabus थोड़ा सा इसमें कम है. Numbers deal करना कम होगा. I'll be sharing your syllabus for class 6. We have syllabuses separate for class 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, and teacher training. Yes, Mr. Yella, any questions you have now?
Yes, sir. Actually, my age is 34 years. I have 12 years of experience in teaching and content creation. Actually, I'm a subject matter expert in mathematics. I work with a MNC company. I actually started tuition center at my home.
Great.
Yeah.
You are from Visakhapatnam, right?
Right, sir. Yes.
Unfortunately, if we would have met a week before, then we would have met in person, because I told you I was there. We have having 2 preschools over there in
Yes,
Vizag.
sir.
Right, no issues. Whenever you find, see, now one thing, you have to move with time. Correct. Now the time is implementation of national education policy, and the time is of Vedic mathematics. You check with any social media, any Google, anything, there is a boom about this, right? And content, everything is required, right? So whatever help I can give you, I'll just support it, right? Yes,
Okay.
Devesh. Samajh aaya, Devesh?
Yes, sir.
Good. So any questions you have, so I'll be sharing you the homework today, first thing. And then I'll also share you that video will be shared afterwards. And definitely your certificate would be there for attending the workshop. Right?
Okay,
Any
sir.
questions you have, you tell me.
No, sir.
Yes, Mr. Yedla. देवेश
Yes.
सच बताओ, आज मोबाइल उस पर चेक कर रहे थे आंसर?
No, sir.
प्रैक्टिस कर रहे थे?
Yes, sir.
तो बेटा अगर करोगे तो you will become faster than the calculator. So it all depends
Yes,
on
sir.
you. See, it is not to become faster than calculator. The point is, when we can do it, when we have got a brain, why should we not utilize this? Correct?
Yes,
So
sir.
this is the major thing. So any doubts in any topic, anytime you want, you can write to me on my WhatsApp. Yes, Mr. Yela, you have my number. Devesh,
Yes.
आपके पास भी number है. Champa, and all those who are just watching my videos right now. Okay, so you can, whatever are your doubts, you submit the homework and you'll get the certificate also. Correct? Thank you very much and have a great day ahead.
Thank you, sir. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye.